I'm Gaga Poko. Today I will share with you my dream of camping in the forest. Here is my first scene. Did you like my camping clothes? Here is the map of the camp place we will go to. These are my friends who will come with us. Say hello to them. I'll make a list to make sure there's nothing to miss. Let's see what my student friends can bring to the camp. Please help. What materials are there? A camping bag, a flashlight, a glass, a water bottle, an axe, pots for cooking, a camping lamp, a camping chair, and a tent. I think these are enough. I wonder what happens on a camping day. In the morning when we get there, the forest will greet us with fresh air. It will be enjoyable to be in touch with nature there. Can't wait to see some creatures. I wonder what animals we will see on this camping trip. We may encounter turtles, deers, rabbits, owls, butterflies, foxes, birds, hedgehogs, and many other animals. We will go to the camp in groups. There we will collect dry tree branches for the fire and cook food. I will help my friends to set up tents. Isn't this so fun? Nighttime will be awesome. We'll bonfire pit at the campsite to get a knife. Attention please. When leaving camp, please put out the fire. Don't let the forest burn. We will sing songs for fun at camp. Isn't this beautiful? Here is my favorite, cooking marshmallows on my campfire. For the finale, we'll go stargazing if we'll see a shooting star. That'll be amazing. Today we had a fun adventure for you about what can happen in the camp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Our next adventure will be on my channel very soon. I love you very much.